Hey, creators and marketers, welcome back to Ideaplex, your hub for mastering the best tools out there. If you're looking for a seamless way to host, share, and customize your videos, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Vadoo TV, the ad-free video hosting platform that's taking the content world by storm. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know if Vadoo is the perfect fit for your needs. Ever struggled with video hosting platforms cluttered with ads, confusing interfaces, or limited features? What if I told you there's a simpler, cleaner, and smarter solution waiting for you? So, what exactly is Vadoo TV? It's not just another video hosting platform. Vadoo promises ad-free video streaming, customizable players, and powerful analytics, all designed to give creators and businesses total control over their content. Think of it as the VIP lounge for your videos, away from all the noise and distractions. Create AI-generated videos with ease. With Vadoo AI Video Generator, turn your text prompts into videos in minutes. Use themes, adds voiceovers, subtitles, and simply create a short AI videos. Enter your text or prompt and select a video style or template that fits your tone. Vadoo AI Video Generator will create an AI video with suitable visuals and animations, which you can then customize further. Enhance the audio by adding voiceovers and use Vadoo AI's editing tools to refine your video. Once you're satisfied, export it for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. With Vadoo AI Video Generator, creating engaging and professional quality AI videos is simple and intuitive. To create an AI video using Vadoo AI, start by selecting a relevant theme and style. Add text overlays to highlight key points and choose suitable background music from the platform's collection. Record a voiceover if supported, or upload a pre-recorded one. Re-edit the video to give it final touches, then export it in the appropriate format and resolution. With Vadoo AI's intuitive tools, creating professional quality AI videos is straightforward and efficient. You can seamlessly add AI-powered voiceovers to your videos, integrations with 11 Labs and OpenAI. Vadoo AI provide high-quality, natural-sounding voices that enhance the storytelling experience. Whether you're repurposing long content into shorts or creating AI videos, the AI-generated voiceovers can be customized to fit different tones, languages, and styles. Using Vadoo AI's viral video generator makes creating content effortless. From day one, you can start making engaging shorts, reels, and TikToks with ease. First things first, let's get you started. Head over to Vadoo TV and sign up for an account. Feel free to explore their premium plans if you need advanced features. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your control center where you'll upload, manage, and analyze your videos. It's clean, simple, and easy to navigate. Each AI-generated video is unique, informative, entertaining, and tailored to your chosen audience and topic. With Vadoo AI, creating videos is both easy and fun. The platform's powerful features, including multi-language captioning and creator-style captions, ensure your videos are professional and engaging, helping you reach a global audience effortlessly. AI automatically assigns a virality score to each clip based on an analysis of thousands of viral videos. It also identifies key moments like impactful quotes or high-emotion scenes, ensuring the most engaging content is highlighted. This makes it easy for creators to produce shareable trailers, teasers, or viral-ready content from longer videos. With Vadoo AI, you can quickly connect your social media accounts like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, allowing you to upload videos instantly. This integration eliminates the need for manual uploading and simplifies the sharing process. Once connected, you can publish directly or schedule your posts effortlessly, saving time and making content distribution seamless. While the video uploads, you can add a title, description, and tags. Pro tip: use keywords in your title and description to make your video more discoverable. Now here's where Vadoo TV stands out: the customizable player. Go to the player settings and choose your branding options. You can change the colors, add your logo, and even include a call to action button. For example, if you're promoting a product, you can set the CTA button to say buy now and link it directly to your store. It's all about making your videos work harder for you. Next, let's talk about privacy. Not every video is meant for public eyes, right? Vadoo lets you password protect your videos or restrict them to specific domains. Once you've set your preferences, click the share button. You'll get a direct link, an embed code for your website, or social sharing options.
In a town swallowed by an unending drought, whispers of the whispering woods emerged, an ancient forest said to be cursed. Desperate for water, a group of friends dared to venture inside, each step crackling with the sound of dry leaves beneath their feet. As they delved deeper, the trees began to murmur, revealing secrets of the land's suffering. Suddenly, twisted roots erupted from the ground, ensnaring one friend, pulling him into the earth. The others screamed, but the whispers grew louder, pleading for sacrifice. As they fled, they realized the woods weren't just alive. They were vengeful, demanding tribute for the greed that had drained the land dry.
Now that your video is live, it's time to measure its impact. Head over to the analytics section in your dashboard. This is where you'll find insights like viewer locations, watch time, and drop-off rates. These metrics are super valuable for understanding what's working and what isn't, so you can refine your strategy. Vadoo also integrates seamlessly with tools like email marketing platforms and CRMs. Text-to-video AI tools are transforming the way content is created by automating the video production process. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or educator, these tools allow you to quickly and easily generate high-quality videos from text without needing advanced video editing skills. From promotional materials to educational videos, text-to-video AI makes it possible to create engaging content in just a few clicks. Transform your text scripts into engaging video ads, shorts, reels, demos, or any marketing campaigns within seconds. Its advanced technology swiftly converts your written content into polished videos, perfect for captivating your audience and boosting your marketing efforts. Vadoo AI is the go-to tool for content creators aiming to enhance their presence across all social media platforms. Whether you're crafting engaging YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, or TikTok videos, Vadoo AI simplifies the process with its intuitive text-to-video transformation. Its customizable templates and automatic subtitle generation make it easier than ever to produce high-quality, shareable content that resonates with your audience. With more video content available online than ever before, finding and sharing the most relevant parts can be challenging. Clip Anything solves this problem by enabling users to effortlessly clip key moments from online videos, saving time and enhancing content creation workflows. Whether you need a short highlight from a long YouTube video, want to share the most memorable part of a live stream, or repurpose a section of a lecture, Clip Anything makes it incredibly simple. Maximize the potential of your long-form YouTube content by turning it into viral-ready clips with ease. Whether it's webinars, tutorials, or interviews, our AI-powered Clipmaker helps you extract the most engaging moments ready to be shared across your social media platforms to increase engagement and reach a wider audience. For editing short videos, Vadoo AI is a top choice. Unlike traditional software that can be cumbersome and complex, Vadoo AI operates entirely online, accessible from any device. Its intuitive interface simplifies video editing. Just select a theme or input a custom prompt, and Vadoo AI will generate visually engaging short videos efficiently. With its ease of use and quick turnaround, Vadoo AI is ideal for creating standout content across various platforms.
Ever heard the story about the guy who survived a fall from a plane without a parachute?
No way! That sounds insane. How did he manage that?
He landed in a snow-covered forest, which cushioned his fall. Can you believe that?
That's unbelievable. I can't even imagine what was going through his mind as he fell.
Right? He said he felt like time slowed down, and he just focused on surviving.
Wow, that's some serious mental strength. I'd probably be screaming the whole way down.
Exactly. And then there's the story of the guy who got swallowed by a whale and survived.
Wait, what? How does someone even get swallowed by a whale?
He was diving for lobster, and the whale accidentally took him in. He was spit out later,
That's like something out of a movie. Did he have any injuries?
Surprisingly, no. Just a wild story to tell. Can you imagine telling that at a dinner party?
I'd be the life of the party, but I'd probably also be a little traumatized.
For sure. And then there's the legend of the man who claims he met aliens while camping.
Aliens? Now that's a classic. What did he say?
Okay, so why should you care about Vadoo TV? If you're a content creator, marketer, or educator, this platform makes it ridiculously easy to deliver polished professional videos. No ads to scare off your audience, no weird algorithms messing with your reach. Just you, your content, and your viewers. And let's not forget the integrations. Vadoo works seamlessly with websites, email campaigns, and social media platforms. So, whether you're running a webinar or launching a product, Vadoo has your back. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much is this going to cost me? The good news is, Vadoo offers flexible plans for every budget. They even have a free plan for smaller creators who are just starting out. But if you're serious about scaling, their premium plans pack a punch with advanced features. I gave Vadoo TV a spin myself, and let me tell you, the experience was seamless. Uploading videos was fast, customization options were intuitive, and the analytics game-changing. It's clear that Vadoo is built with creators in mind. So, is Vadoo.tv worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. Whether you're a small creator or a business looking for a reliable video hosting solution, Vadoo.tv delivers on its promises. But don't just take my word for it, try it out yourself. And if you've already tried Vadoo, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ideaplex for more deep dives into the tools that shape your creative journey. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating,